Good morning, children. We'll learn a new topic today, and that is articles a and an. What I will learn is that we will recall consonant sounds and vowel sounds. We will recall singular nouns, which we just learnt a few days back. We will understand the meaning and the usage of a and an, and also learn to apply them in sentences, both in writing as well as while we are speaking. Before we go on, let's recall consonant sounds and vowel sounds. And before we jump up to sounds, let's recall the letters of the alphabet: A, B, C, D, and let's go on up till Z. I'm sure you remember all of them. Let's understand that in English language, we frame words by joining the sounds of the letters that each letter makes. Let's understand. The letter A makes the sound A as an apple. The letter B makes the B sound. C makes the K sound. And what is the sound of D? Yes, it's D. Similarly, E makes E or E sound. Likewise, each letter of the alphabet has a particular sound. Now, there are certain sounds which we call as consonant sounds, and there are others which we call as vowel sounds. Let's understand the difference now. The letters of A, B, C, D each have a particular sound. All the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the sounds they make are A, E, I, or O, or A. When you hear these sounds, those are words starting with a vowel sound. But the sounds that come like B, D, P, T, when words start with such sounds, they are called consonant sounds. A and an is always used, children, before a singular noun, never with a plural. For example, when I want to say I have one pencil in my box, you may say I have a pencil. Or if you want to say that I saw an ant, which means you saw one ant. A is used before words starting with a consonant sound, like one cycle or a cycle, one bat or a bat. Here are the consonants that we will come across. Some examples here are table, which starts with a T sound. There is a table in my room. Teacher. My mother is a teacher. Computer. My father has gifted a computer to my grandma. Let's move on to an. As I said earlier, an comes before words starting with a vowel sound, and the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Their sounds like one elephant or an elephant. Some more examples of words starting with vowels. Owl. I saw an an owl sitting on a tree. Apple. I always eat an apple daily. Ice cream. Rohan eats an ice cream every Sunday.
It's time now, children, to read some sentences where we have used a and an to understand their usage. Sentence 1. The boy has an umbrella in his hand. I say an umbrella because umbrella starts with a sound, which is a vowel sound. Sentence 2. The boy has a blue umbrella in his hand. Let's understand carefully, children. Here I say a blue umbrella because blue, the word, starts with b sound, which is a consonant sound. So a blue umbrella. Sentence 3. Reena has an egg and a sandwich for breakfast daily. An egg because e sound is a vowel sound, so an egg. And a sandwich because sandwich starts with s sound, which is a consonant sound. Sentence 4. An Eskimo lives in an igloo. I say an Eskimo because e sound of the Eskimo is a vowel sound, and I say an igloo because I sound also is a vowel sound. Let's now read the last sentence. The girl is eating an apricot. I say an apricot because apricot starts with a sound, which is a vowel sound. I hope, children, as we've read through these sentences, the usage of a and an has become clearer.
Let's do some examples here. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Arm. So a arm or an arm. A artist or an artist? Yes, an artist, an arm. Comb starts with a k sound. So a comb, a cat. Eel, vowel sound. So an eel. Engine, an engine. Hat, so a hat. A horse. A packet. A banana. An igloo. An ink. An ostrich. Same, an orange. We have umbrella again, so an umbrella. A penguin. A yak. Zebra, so a zebra. A rug. And a raincoat. Great! I'm sure you people have understood where to put a and where to put an. With this, we come to an end of understanding articles a and an. We will meet again with something new in the next PPT. Till then, enjoy your day. Bye bye.